Here we go, guys, with a quick review of the DFIN upgrade ear pads. They're replacement grade flannel memory foam. They're compatible with my Audio-Technica M40X and a host of others, as you can see on the webpage. Now, the original ones that came with this were kind of harsh and kind of irritated my ears after a few hours of wearing them. And if you use these for any amount of time, you desire comfort. And this replacement was the best money I ever spent because, as you can see in the video, they're super soft, slip right on. They stay with the memory foam, they stay plush. These are about a year old and they're still going strong with daily use or almost daily use. And it's a real big upgrade for a great deal. Catch them while you can. Thanks for watching.